After working for many years, many look forward to retirement, to the joy of spending more time with your loved ones doing things you love. But there is one lingering question in the mind of everyone close to retirement. Do I have enough money to last me for the rest of my life? When we retire, we stop working. When we stop working, our source of income ends, but our bills and expenses don't retire. We still have to figure out how to generate a steady income to cover our expenses in retirement. That's where your pension savings come in. For those with pension plans, the first thing you will need to do is consolidate your savings. If you have savings in different institutions, combine them in one place. Take stock of what you have and then start making a plan. Zemella has a free self-service retirement advisor to help you make a retirement plan. You will have a few options to help you replace your source of income. Let's explore them. Option 1. Start a business, if you don't have one. Running a business is the first thing that comes to mind for many people, especially those who were employed. But it's not usually the best choice. Some hope using part of their pension savings to start a small business will keep them busy and fund their lifestyle. This option has a few disadvantages, the first one being that it's not really retirement. You will still be working. You will require a certain level of skills, energy, and experience which you might not have in retirement. Starting a business in retirement does not guarantee a steady source of income. In some months, you will be worrying about survival if business is bad. Avoid this option if you can. A business also needs you to take up some risk. Income is not guaranteed. Risk in retirement is not a good thing. Option 2. Income drawdown. In an income drawdown, you will enter into a contract of about 10 years in the plan. The fund manager will invest your money and you will be getting a monthly income for the duration of the contract. The monthly income will be coming from the investment's returns, not your pension benefits. You will be eating the fruits, not the seed. After the contract ends, you get your money back. You will have the option to continue with the contract after the initial 10 years. In case of untimely death of the contract holder, the next of kin will get all the money invested. The income drawdown is ideal for most retirees because it is a safe and guaranteed form of passive income. In addition to that, it is also low risk since all the money is invested in safe interest-earning securities like treasury bonds. This gives you peace of mind in retirement. Retirement is the time to rest and do what you love the most. After spending years working hard for your money, this is the time to let your money take care of you. Contact Zemella to learn more about the Zemella Income Drawdown Plan.